If you have lost access to your Cash App account and need to regain ownership, follow these simple steps to recover your account. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process efficiently. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Ensure you are using the latest version of the app for optimal performance. Step 2. Tap on Profile icon. In the Cash App home screen, locate and tap on your profile icon, usually found in the upper right corner. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select Support. Scroll down and find the Support option in the Settings menu. Tap on it to access the Help section where you can find recovery options. Step 4. Choose something else. In the Support section, select something else to view additional options. This will lead you to a variety of issues related to account access. Step 5. Follow recovery instructions. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. After completing these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Cash App account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Cash App support for further assistance.